Welcome to Free Grammar Lessons. In this video, we will learn how to convert an affirmative or positive sentence to negative sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. First, we will understand what affirmative and negative sentences are. Then, we will look into the different cases to convert an affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Finally, I will give you an exercise to practice. So without a further go, let's get started. Sentences can be of two kinds by nature, affirmative or positive and negative. So what is an affirmative or positive sentence? Affirmative sentence is positive by nature and negations such as no, not, never, nothing, nobody are not present in this kind of sentences. For example, Ravi loves drinking juice. Here you can see there is no negation in the sentence. Negative sentence is negative by nature, meaning negations such as no, not, never, nothing, nobody is present in the sentence. For example, Ravi does not hate drinking juice. Here you can see that there is not as a negation in the sentence. Comparing both the sentence, we can understand that the meaning of the sentence doesn't change. Now let's understand different cases where positive sentences gets converted to negative without change in the meaning. Case 1. Use of opposite words. In this case, we use opposite words to convert a positive sentence to negative sentence. Let's look into an example to understand. The knife is sharp. This is a positive sentence. Converting it to a negative sentence, it becomes the knife is not blunt. If you notice closely, the opposite of sharp is blunt and we have not before it. Let's look into one more example of it. Positive sentence is this is impossible. Converting it to a negative sentence, it becomes this is not possible. Here the word impossible gets converted to possible and we have added not before it. So in this way, by using opposite words, we can convert a positive sentence to negative sentence. Now let's look into case 2. Degree of comparison. Here one degree gets converted to another. Let's understand how this degree conversion works. First, conversion of positive degree to not plus comparative degree. For example, Ankit is as great as Shyam. Converting it to a negative sentence, it becomes Shyam is not greater than Ankit. Here, the positive degree great gets converted to greater and not is used to convert it into a negative sentence. Let's look into second type, conversion of comparative degree to not plus positive degree. For example, Birbal is wiser than Akbar. If we convert it into negative sentence, it becomes Akbar is not so wise as Birbal. Here, comparative degree wiser gets converted to wise and not is used before wise. Third is conversion of superlative degree to no plus positive degree. Bharat was the strongest king in India. Converting it to negative sentence, it becomes no other king was as great as Bharat in India. Here, superlative degree strongest gets converted to strong and no is added at the beginning. In this way, we can convert one degree to another degree and in turn we can convert a positive sentence to negative sentence. Now let's look into case 3. Here sentences containing to gets converted to so that. For example, Ravi is too weak to walk. If we convert it into negative sentence, it becomes Ravi is so weak that he cannot walk. Notice how words to gets converted to so that. Let's look into one more example of it.
He is too shy to ask for help.
Converting it to a negative sentence, it becomes he is so shy that he will not ask for help. This is the third case where sentences having to gets converted to so that. Now let's look into case 4. Use of double negation words like not fail and not without in the sentence. Let's look into examples to understand them. He remembered her. If we convert it into negative, it becomes he did not fail to remember her. Here we use did not fail to convert the sentence into negative. Let's look into an example where not without is used. Joy loved Ria. Joy was not without love for Ria. Notice we have used not without here. So these are the 4 cases in which positive sentence can be converted to negative without change in meaning. Now I am giving you an exercise to practice. Please message me the answers in comments. Number 1 is it is a difficult task. Number 2 is he was richer than Roy. Number 3 is he is too young to drive a car. And number 4 is he saw her in the cafe. So that's all in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we understood what a positive and negative sentence is. Then we looked into different cases in which positive sentence gets converted to negative without change in meaning of them. Case 1 is by using opposite words. Case 2 is by using degree of comparisons. Case 3 is converting sentences having to so that. And case 4 is use of double negation like not fail and not without. Finally, I gave you an exercise for practice whose answer you will be giving me in the comment section. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe